This is how you should roll out with your crew to Cars and Coffee.
I want to be in the back of the line.
So this time I'm not driving. I'm riding passenger with the homie. I'm gonna try to film all this time. Come on, Marcos. For everybody? Oh yeah, we are.
Look, he's going around.
It is the best way to do it.
Hell yeah!
Everyone just gets out of the car.
Hey, we just gonna park the fucking highway?
Fuck it, we should have done that.
Fuck it.
Oh damn, bro, you got, what happened here?
Huh?
You got
oh, a tire. On the highway.
Nah, we gotta head back now. Wait, what?
Didn't you get kicked out for two-stepping?
Yeah, I did get kicked out for two-stepping. Yeah, this 18 is clean.
Actually, turn your wheel this way. Everyone's parking retarded.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Good?
Like
Alley. Back up just a little bit.
Is that dip?
That's fire.
Is that dip or?
Looks dip.
I swear that's
Like a
dip.
wrap.
On baby, that's dip.
That is.
Alright guys, here's the future car right here. Future car right here.
That's nice. Is that super snake?
Either that color
That color.
or that color.
Look at the engine side. Holy.
Alright, where's Ozzy at? I need to go talk to him. We need to talk about this car review. ASAP. Oh, I don't need it.
Oh shit. Hey, yo.
Damn, what? There's hella people around, you know what to do. Oh, of course, Chris is revving it up. We are here watching the pullouts. Can you guys? Dude, I wish I had my lens. Here watching a couple pullouts, and then we're gonna head out to another meet, and then yeah, call it a day. We're not gonna be here for too long, but I want to see some people pull out. This is like my favorite part of Cars and Coffee.
They almost lost control.
Just left Cars and Coffee. I did a little baby pull. 2018. I'm trying to go see that real quick. Yeah, this is nice and all, but see that yellow car there? That's a little nicer. Nah, just kidding. This thing is super dope. Dude, I want one of these so bad. Not a Z06, just like your base model C6. I'll even buy one with like a rebuilt title just so I can have this and the Mustang. That's a goal.
Look at that shit.
That's a goal. This meet is inside of the mall. Super low cars. Would you guys be mad if this is how my G would have turned out to be? What if I would have made my G35 like this? I don't see myself driving it like this. The rear looks pretty dope. I don't know, let me know. We are gonna call it a day. About to go grill with the homies, and then probably go home, edit this video, upload it tomorrow. Alright then fam, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. You better hit that subscribe button because you should have been here a very long time ago. There's not too much going on this week here in Florida.